everybody, very good morning. Today we are going to start with the last part of the first chapter of your textbook, that is First Flight. The name of the chapter is A Letter to God. Now you already know that it is a story of a farmer named Lencho, whose crop was destroyed by the rain and hailstones, and so he had only one hope left. That was the hope of the help from God. So he decides to write a letter to God. When the letter was received at the post office, the post officials initially laughed at him, thinking him a mad person, that how did somebody write a letter to God? But somehow the post officer, the head of the post office, he became serious and he thought that this is incredible, because this is the great example of somebody's faith in God. As I had told earlier, that we do have a hope that God does everything for us. When we are in trouble, we remember Him. But do you think that for any trouble we would write a letter to Him? Of course not. We would never do that, right? But this man does it. So the post officer requested his colleagues, those who were working with him, even he asked some of his friends to contribute for this. And somehow he collected 70 pesos. Actually, Lencho had demanded 100 pesos. But this postman could collect only 70. But he did this because he did not want to break, he did not want to shake off the faith of Lencho in God. वो भरोसा तोड़ना नहीं चाहते थे ये लोग. उनको था कि अगर आज इसको जवाब नहीं दिया, his faith in God will be broken. तो नहीं करना ऐसा. So to help him, to help Lencho retain his faith in God, they decided to contribute money. And they collected 70 rupees. Once it was done, money was kept in an envelope. On that, only one word was written, God. Now the letter was sent. Now what happens when Lencho receives this? That is interesting. The following Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. Next Sunday जो था वो आता है, लेंचो जाता है पोस्ट ऑफिस ये देखने के लिए कि भाई मेरा लेटर आया कि नहीं, है ना? It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him, while the postmaster, experiencing the contentment का मीनिंग होता है satisfaction, experiencing the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. Next Sunday, Lencho went to the post office. The postman himself gave him the letter. Yes, Lencho, ये तुम्हारा लेटर. और जो पोस्ट ऑफिसर जिसने हेल्प की थी और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी बोला था हेल्प करने के, वो देखना चाहता था कि जब लेंचो ये लेटर खोलेगा उसमें जो पैसे निकलेंगे कितना खुश हो जाएगा. His faith in God is stronger और मजबूत हो जाएगा. तो वो देखना चाहता था कि लेंचो कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करता है सिचुएशन. आगे लिखा, लेंचो showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. देखो इतना भी उसको आश्चर्य नहीं होता है लेंचो को कि भगवान ने मेरी मदद की, because he was sure that God would certainly help him. Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. Such was his confidence. But he became angry when he counted the money. गुस्सा आ गया क्योंकि सबको पता है कि 100 pesos नहीं, 70 थे. God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. न भगवान गलती कर सकता है, न भगवान ने मैंने जो मांगा था उसे कम नहीं भेजे होंगे भगवान ने, पक्का. तो ये 70 रुपीज से क्यों 30 पैसे कहाँ गए? Obviously this made him very angry. Immediately, तुरंत ही, Lencho went up to the window to ask for paper and ink. फिर से वो पोस्ट ऑफिस की एक विंडो थी, वहां जाता है, वहां बोला कि एक मुझे पेपर दो, इंक भी दो. On the public writing table, he started to write with much wrinkling of his broke, caused by the effort he had to make to express his idea. When he finished, he went to the window to buy a stamp which he licked and then affixed the envelope with a blow of his fist. लेंचो ने क्या किया? एक पेपर लिया, इंक ली, set on the writing table, wrote something again, then एक स्टैम्प लिया टिकट और टिकट को पोस्ट पर रख के ऐसे मारा स्टैम्प के, अपनी फिस्ट को ऐसे करके. The moment the letter fell into the mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. Postmaster देखना चाहता था कि लेंचो का रिस्पॉन्स क्या होगा. तो now Lencho had got money, though it was not what he had demanded, but फिर भी उसको थोड़ा मिल जाता. पोस्टमास्टर अंदर से खुश हो रहा था कि चलो आज एक बंदे को हेल्प किया और उसका दिन भी अच्छा चला गया. तो he was very satisfied, अंदर से बहुत खुश था, सेटिस्फेक्शन दिख रहा था चेहरे पर किसी को हेल्प करने का. तो वो खुद वहां जाता कि अब लेंचो ने जो लेटर ड्रॉप किया है, लेट मी सी व्हाट इज देयर इनसाइड. The moment the letter fell into the mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. It said, उसमें लिखा था, God, of the money that I asked for, जो मैंने मनी आपसे मांगी थी वो 100 पैसे, only 70 pesos reached me. सिर्फ 70 आया है, बाकी के 30. Send me the rest since I need it very much. 30 pesos मुझे भेजो क्योंकि मुझे बहुत काम है. But don't send it to me through the mail because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks, Lencho said. Oh God, you sent me remaining 30 pesos, sorry. But this time you do not send through these post officers because they are crooks, ये चोर है. Now my dear students, one thing that we can understand or we should try to understand is that Lencho does have great faith in God, but we can see that he lacks faith in humans. It is very obvious, it is quite a fact that in any emergency, the one who helps us the first is the man who is living beside. It's not God who jumps from the sky and comes and helps us. So my dear students, it's very important to have faith in humanity, in God. मानवता पर भरोसा होना चाहिए. यहाँ पर हमने देखा Lencho blamed all those people who actually helped him in collecting rupees that he needed. But it shows that he has faith in God, but he is lacking faith in humans. Right? I hope you all have understood. Next time when we meet, we will come up with yet another new topic. Till then, try to read the chapter, try to understand. If you have some doubts, definitely would be entertained afterwards. Till then, take good care. Thank you. Jai Hind.